Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. My name is Tasha. If this is your first time, welcome. If this is not your first time, thank you so much for coming back in. In this video, I'll be showing you how to select the hoops on your embroidery machine. This is going to be a quick video, so come on, let's go ahead and get started. All right, now I want to go ahead and plug my machine up. And plug your machine in. Then around the back of the machine, you have your on-off button. And at the front of the machine, when you turn the machine on for the first time, this message will come up. Emergency stop. Don't panic. They have the emergency stop button already engaged because when your machine is in transit, they do that so the machine doesn't start up or anything shifts on it. So they go ahead and make sure that the emergency stop button is on. Okay, so to get rid of that message, you just press that button and turn it. And then that takes care of that message that's on your machine. All right, so now I want to go ahead. We already have the arms installed. I'm going to choose this button here. That's to choose your frames. And you notice the frames are A, B, C. You got alphabet there. And then that's the one for the hat hoop. So what made it easy for me is to label my hoops, the ones that came with the machine. So let's go over and I'll show you that. Okay, so here are all the frames that came with your machine. And to make it easy for me, I labeled everything. So your largest hoop, the one that is like the test hoop that they use to test your machine out before you get it, that's actually frame A. And I have an arrow there because that shows me what way it needs to be facing when it's going onto the machine. So we got frame A, B, and this what works for me if you want to just label them that way or whatever works for you. And that's the next size. And then we have C, D, E, and F. And again, I labeled them and I have arrows showing which way they go onto the machine because that's very important so you don't put it on upside down. So far, the one I've been using the most is frame B. I want to go to my machine and select this. So I'm here at my machine. I want to use B. That's the second largest hoop. So then you go over to your machine and it's going to be frame B. And then this message, it says, must uninstall cap driver for machine safety before selecting the enter button. So we've already removed the cap driver and the hat hoop already, so we're okay. So we're just going to hit OK. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope that this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it out. If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to turn on your notifications so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And until next time, thank you all so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.